वेल एक ऐसी अदाकारा जिन्होंने हमें यास्मीन बन के बहुत खूबसूरती से एंटरटेन किया है। पर अब वो यास्मीन नहीं है, लेकिन अब वो फैंस के लिए उनकी अवनीत है। शुरू से उनको अवनीत बन के बहुत प्यार मिला है। well, आज मेरे साथ इस चैट सेशन में अवनीत जुड़ेंगी एंड वो मुझसे शेयर करेंगी उनके फ्यूचर प्लान्स एंड अ लॉट मोर थिंग्स, अलादीन की मेमोरीज और उनकी काफी सारी फन बातें। So let's welcome Avneet Kaur in this chat session with me, Vishakha Patel.
Hi, how are you?
How are you? I am good. How are you?
I'm awesome.
बट कैसा लग रहा है 4-5 महीने हो गए लॉकडाउन के लिए, कहीं बाहर प्रॉपर नहीं निकल पाए हो, कैसा लग रहा है?
डेफिनेटली ऐसा हुआ नहीं है आज तक, थोड़ा वियर्ड तो लग रहा है एंड या आई एम ट्राइंग टू कोप अप विद दिस, एवरीबॉडी इज ट्राइंग टू, बट आई होप कि जल्दी वी फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन टू दिस एंड वी कैन गो आउट एंड बी फ्री।
I was remembering कि कैसे 24/7 मैंने आपको सिर्फ शूट करते देखा है, like whatever time I used to see you, you were like running from here and there, एक सीन से दूसरा सीन, and now अचानक से आप लोगों के पास इतना फ्री टाइम हाथ में आ गया, so utilize कैसे किया आपने ये टाइम?
Definitely it's something that I haven't experienced yet. मतलब जब से I've started working, I've never got so much free time for myself. Even as I was doing Aladdin, I always used to, as you said, run to scenes, and then I used to have my flights. I used to shoot around the place and वापस come back and then give my exams. So yeah, definitely this has been a completely different experience for me, and I've taken it really positively. I have started doing some things that I always wanted to do. I started writing, started drawing, started watching so many things, and I have started doing things that I always thought that if I got free time I would do, and right now I'm doing that, and I know for a fact that if I get back to what used to be and my normal lifestyle, फिर तो मुझे कभी टाइम मिलेगा नहीं इतना कुछ करने के लिए. So yeah, I'm taking like full advantage of this right now.
So you know what I would say for an actor, when the film or a serial is done and dusted, और उसके बाद भी अगर उनके बारे में बात करी जाए तो वो एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट होती है. And in your case, even though अलादीन से आपने अपना अलविदा ले लिया, स्टिल आपके बारे में वहाँ पे इतनी फैंस आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं, पूछते हैं अवनीत ही चाहिए. So क्या लगता है कि आगे जाके जो शो लेंगे आप, उसमें ये फैंडम आपको उतना ही प्यार मिल रहा है या फिर वो अलादीन की छवि, आपकी यास्मीन की छवि माइंड में रखेंगे?
Definitely, I think I've been receiving a lot of love and warmth for this character. And somewhere I was very sad leaving this show, but good things always come to an end, and then you have to do something different and something better. So I would just want all the people who have supported me so much in this decision, and all the people who have been so kind of skeptical about this, मैं just इतना बोलना चाहूँगी that just wait, many good things are coming up, and don't lose hope, and I would always find a way to entertain you all. So that's it.
Wow. Okay, so सिर्फ आखिरी चीज जो मैं अलादीन के बारे में जानना चाहूंगी, आपके कोई फेवरेट सीन्स हैं जो आप हमेशा याद रखेंगी फ्रॉम द सेट्स ऑफ अलादीन?
आई थिंक हम लोगों के सिद्धार्थ और मेरे जितने भी सीन्स होते थे, स्पेशली हमारी जो एक्शन सीन्स होते थे, एडवेंचर सीन्स होते थे, व्हेनेवर अलादीन एंड यास्मीन यूज्ड टू गो डू एडवेंचर्स एंड explore new things, and people always used to love that about Aladdin and Yasmin. So I think those are some sort of moments that I would really want to cherish forever, and I got to learn so many things from this show. Like everything that I've done in my life, I have taken out something and I've learned something from that. I got to learn horse riding, got to learn sword fighting, इतना अच्छा action कैसे करना है, सिद्धार्थ ने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया. So yeah, I'm just glad and I'm very happy that the show gave me so many things, and these are memories that I would always want to keep.
Okay, so अगर आगे जाके हमें आपको किसी सीन या किसी रोल में देखना हो किसी भी आने वाले टाइम में, तो आप खुद को कैसे किरदारों में देखना पसंद करती हैं?
मैंने जब भी कुछ रोल के लिए सोचा है, एक्चुअली आई एम जस्ट 18 right now, and I would really want to discover myself out there. I'm that sort of person that would always want to go out of my comfort zone, always try something different. Even if I'm styling myself for that matter, I would always like to do something that I haven't done. So I always like to go edgy. I always like to get different experiences. And I'm just really thankful that अभी तक जितना भी मैंने काम किया है वो हमेशा different रहा है, unique रहा है. किसी ने मतलब इतना शहजादी यास्मीन का character play करना was a very 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 big opportunity and a very big task at the same time. So the next role that I'm looking for would definitely be out of my comfort zone and would be something that I haven't experienced before.
Perfect. So अगर मैं लॉकडाउन की बात करूँ अवनीत, आई एम श्योर आपने बहुत कुछ किया होगा, नई चीजें एक्सपेरिमेंट करी होंगी, आपने बहुत रेगुलरली यूट्यूब पे अपने व्लॉग्स डाले हैं, उसके लिए फैंस एंड ऑडियंस का कैसा रिस्पॉन्स रहा?
हाँ मतलब क्वारंटीन अभी था, so like अभी है and genuinely yeah I've done a lot of things that people have started loving and I'm so glad about that. I've started my own poetry page और मैंने YouTube channel थोड़ा और मैं active हो गई हूँ अपने YouTube पे, started doing a lot of reels and you know being really active on social, started drawing. So yeah, I mean people have been giving a lot of love to that and I'm just really glad कि इतना मेरे पास time आया कि मैं देख सकूं कि मुझे ऐसी कौन सी you know activities हैं, ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हैं जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. So
अगर कोई ऐसा हिडन टैलेंट है जो लोगों को नहीं पता हो अवनीत के बारे में, तो वो अगर आप बताना चाहें?
It's not like a talent, but I really like to do that and I really like to sing. And whenever I used to go live also अपने Instagram पे मैं जब भी live जाती थी, there were a lot of people who always used to say कि Avneet, why don't you sing a song? And then I started singing and people really liked it and I've uploaded 1-2 videos on my YouTube as well where I was singing a little. But I'm definitely not a professional, but I would absolutely love to you know learn this activity, this new thing, this new passion in the future, and I would really like to create something in this one.
Okay, no, but something that you haven't tried and you would love trying. ये तो singing आपने try किया है.
I think it would be probably doing gymnastics or something like that. Like I'm, you know, into all those things. I really liked it. So I posted a video on my Instagram as well where I was doing a cartwheel. So I'm a dancer. So dancers, you know all these things. So I had practiced it before, and I did a cartwheel, and people were like, you know, you should try more of these things. So I think, हाँ, अगर कुछ ऐसा मैंने try नहीं किया, maybe doing a backflip or something like that. So yeah, I would. Wow. I think like to do that.
I think then you have your perfect gymnast trainer with you. तो जब उनको time मिले अलादीन से, आप उनसे help ले लीजिएगा. आप आर के हमारे अलादीन यानी सिद्धार्थ निगम की.
Definitely, he's such a good, you know, person, and he's so cool with it. I remember he posted a comment also on my video that I posted, cartwheel wala. He said that come and I will make you learn how to do a backflip and all. Like OMG, like I've got my teacher.
So आगे बढ़ते हैं. Avneet, you know what? You are one such teenager and you have such a huge, humongous fan following that they follow you devotedly. Be it on Instagram, be it on Facebook, be it on any social media platform, you enjoy a massive fan following. So do you think at times burdened क्योंकि आपको जब कुछ डालना होता है तो you have to think twice about you know कुछ ऐसा ना जाए जो लोग influence हो जाए उस चीज से, because it's quite a big responsibility.
I think completely I would want to agree with that thing because I think you know somewhere being a public figure and being an influencer has a big, you know, gives you a big opportunity, but at the same time you've got a big responsibility. So somewhere you have to be very, very careful and you have to, you know, work it out first before you're posting anything. You have to see the consequences of that particular thing in your mind. So I think I always do that, and I would never ever want anybody to, you know, take me in a wrong way or get influenced by me in a wrong manner. So I'm really glad that, you know, I always get this time that I have. Like I always take out time before I'm putting something on my social platforms so that people, you know, don't get a wrong idea about or wrong concept about anything. So I think it's a very, very big responsibility that you have to do that.
And you know what, as they say that a coin has two sides. And in the same case of your celebrity, or maybe I should say the celebrity life में भी आपके दो हिस्से होते हैं, like a flip side also, positive and negative. So I'm sure काफी fans आपको support करते हैं और कुछ ऐसे होंगे free of time, trollers, they come and troll you for no reason. How do you keep your mind straight? How do you keep your mind focused on your goal?
I have been this sort of person. This is my personality. I don't know. My mother also says this about me, and she really feels proud that I am this sort of person. I really don't get bothered by any hate in my life. I swear, like, you know, I have been out there and I know how people are, and I'm so glad that you know, I got to come in this industry since such a young age. I was so young when I got to experience so many people around me, and I got to experience so many vibes around me, and I got to know at that particular time only that, you know, Avneet is not all the people that are going to support you in your life. There are going to be a lot of people, a huge amount of people that will also criticize you, will also say negative things about you, and will also try to pull you down somewhere in your life. And I am just so glad that my parents have been throughout this journey with me. And, you know, it's a very big, I think it's a very big gift that I have, that my parents are around always and they support me in everything. And getting trolled, hating somebody should really be avoided, I feel, you know, because people are sensitive. We are humans, you know. At the end of the day, we also feel bad, and we also feel that, you know, we haven't achieved all the things that we really want to. And there's so many things going on in a person's mind, and there's so many things going on in their life that you don't even know about. And I think that you should not be the person to put them down anywhere, because they are trying not to give up, and you should support that. And I feel that being positive and spreading positivity for them is very, very important for all of the people.
That's a very, very noble and a very good thought, I would say. And I hope कि जो सुने आपको वो समझे कि आप कितने सच्चे मन से ये बात कह रही थी, and not for the heck of it. You really meant it. Okay, सिर्फ आखिरी चीज मुझे ये जाननी है अवनीत आपसे. काफी टाइम से I'm sure social distancing maintain हो रही है, friends वगैरह को मिलना नहीं है क्योंकि you know कोरोना वायरस है. बट ऐसे कौन से चुनिंदा 3 से 4 दोस्त हैं जिनको आप बहुत मिस कर रही हैं and you wish कि कोरोना नहीं होता, so you could have just chilled in some nice place, enjoyed yourself?
All right. I think that would definitely be Krupa. She's my best friend. A lot of people know. And second would be Reem. Reem का actually अभी shoot चल रहा है and she's so busy and all. But we still lockdown के I think थोड़ा सा जब खुला हुआ था तब हम लोग फिर भी मिले थे एक बार, and I really miss meeting her and Krupa. So I think these girls are the first one that I would go and meet.
And I hope कि लॉकडाउन खत्म हो और बहुत जल्द आपका नया प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट हो ताकि हम आपको वहां मिल सके.
Definitely, I cannot wait and I hope कि सब लोग you know इस चीज के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं बहुत टाइम से. So जो भी आएगा it should be with a big bang.
ऐसे भी कहते हैं सब्र का फल बहुत मीठा होता है and fans बहुत सब्र से वेट कर रहे हैं इस मीठे फल का.
I know, and I would just like to say that I love them all, and I hope that everyone is safe. और घर पे सब लोग सुरक्षित हैं, अपनी फैमिली के साथ हैं, खुश हैं, and I will see them on screen very, very soon.
Thank you so much, and good luck for any new future project that you sign up for.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you.
Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this chat session with me, Vishakha Pandit. Avneet was pretty fun. She told us so much about what her plans are going to be in the near future. Aladdin को वो कितना मिस करते हैं, but still she wants her fans to support her. So yes, thank you so much. हमें comment section में बताना ना भूलिएगा कि आपको ये chat session कैसा लगा. Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.